So let me show you the basic pattern, and then I'll show you how to harmonize the scale and play it up and down like I was just doing. So this is the basic pattern of the banjo roll. Okay, we just have our thumb here on the D string, and we pluck thumb to middle finger on the high E string. And then we go down the strings like this. So when you're first doing it, keep it slow, like this, and try to build that muscle memory. That's the only way that you can get it to feel That's the only way you can get it up to a little bit faster speed. So just plug in the major scale formula. Here we're going to start on E, and that just goes like this. Whole step. So starting on second fret here, go whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. Then plug in the banjo roll formula that looks like this. The other thing I did is kind of more of a classical pattern, and that's where we're actually doing more of a harmonized scale in major and minor thirds. Okay? And then we're going to plug this pattern in. First, what we do is we start with a major third. They're on adjacent frets like this, second fret, first fret, okay? Second step here is a minor third, so that goes with a whole step in between, fourth fret to second fret, okay? Third one is 6 to 4 like that, with a whole step in between. The fourth one is 7 to 6, major third. The fifth one is a major third again, from 9 to 8. The sixth one is a minor third, and we're going to go from 11 to 9. The seventh one, again, is a minor third, and we're going from 13 to 11. Back to the octave again here, we're at 14 and 13. Okay, now you can plug in this pattern and then go up and down the harmonized E major scale like this. Now this is something that's really fun to play. It's great ear training, and it's really great for your hands, especially your right hand, because you get to practice some of these banjo rolls or these classical up and down patterns. I recommend to do this as a warm-up and to do it every single day for about 5 minutes. After a couple weeks, you're really going to notice a big difference in your ear's ability to hear easily major and minor patterns, but also the pattern of how the major and minor chords go up and down the neck like this. Okay? That'll help give you better decisions when you're writing music and when you're playing and improvising. So use this pattern and have fun. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.